Next example will be 4x squared plus y squared plus 16x minus 6y minus 39 is equal to 0. So we need to make this, we need to convert this into the standard form. So first is we have to arrange. Okay, x first, you have 4x squared plus 16x plus y squared minus 6y is equal to positive 39. Okay, so we need to enclose this by a parenthesis. Next is we need to factor this first. So this will be 4 times x squared plus 4x. Okay, so this is plus y squared minus 6y is equal to 39. So we need to make that a perfect square. So this will become 4 times x squared plus 4x. So that is 4 divided by 2. That is 2. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 4. So since you add 4 here, so what will you add here? Okay, so that is 4 times 4. So because you have 4 outside the parenthesis, so that is 4 times 4. So you need to add 16. And then plus y squared minus 6y. 6 divided by 2 is negative. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. So that is plus 9. So you also have to add 9 here. Okay. Next is we need to factor. So this will be 4 times x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to, so you need to add 39 plus 16, that is 3, 4, 5, 55 plus 9, that is 64. Okay, next is to make this the right hand side of the equation equal to 1, so divided by 64, also divide this by 64 and divide this by 64. Okay, so we need to cancel this. So 64 divided by 4 is 16. So you have x plus 2 squared over 16 plus y minus 3 squared over 64 is equal to 1. So this will be your standard form.